Okay, so if you had watched my first video, you will know that I had a compiler that I made, and an interpreter, but I never made a GUI for it. So it's all like done through the terminal, which is really boring. Like who uses terminal? So I haven't actually made it yet, but I thought it'd be cool to do like a build of a GUI for a video, because everything that I've done so far I've already made, and I don't think you understand how long and it takes to make something. So I thought I'd just do like a little time lapse or something. Okay, so I don't normally draw it out, but just to visualize. So I've changed the name. I'll change the name to MCO because Seok's not really a cool name. So we'll have the file path entry here. So we'll have a little browse button. Now, unfortunately, I won't be able to do the thing that normally you do. You know, where you click browse, the little file thing comes up and you select the file, because obviously I can't do that. So what you do is it'll bring up the file explorer, then you find your file, and then you just you'd copy the what's it called? You know, the line where the address for where the file is, and then you can copy and paste that into there. Then you'll enter the name of what you want it to be, of what the compiled file, and then just a big button called compile. So you just compile it all. It's probably a bit too big, I'll probably shorten that, but because we're using tkinter, I think this would all be one column, because we don't really need more than that. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the time is currently 5:38, and I'll see you when I'm done. Most of it done. I've got the actual thing, GUI, working. I just need to actually integrate it now, so it's kind of what I expected it to come out as, just a lot smaller and fatter. So yeah, I didn't actually need as much space as I thought. So now I just need to add the compiler here into this. How the compiler works, because I don't think I mentioned it, is it takes the interpreter, which is this, and the interpreter isn't finished. And basically what it does, it finds the text file, puts it into a list, and then adds that list into the bottom of this file here, and then adds a few more commands. So whenever it, rather than searching for an input from the terminal, it just looks at the list down here as the file. So then you're actually interpreting a Python file. So yeah, it basically means you can compile an interpreter together with the file. So I just need to put this in here, and then we should be done. It's done, but I'm very skeptical. So this is our M code, and then if we run it, let's see if, just make sure it works. Enter password, or password. Of course it was. Of course it is. Password. There you go. There's my problem. Okay, so I just tried it again, and it is working for some reason. Okay, so if we say good, it should say great. Okay, and then goodbye. Yep. Okay, so that is working. Okay, cool. So now if we compile it, so if we open our thing here, there we go. Right, mcode. So if we hit browse, we should get the file explorer. There we are. If we go on to desktop, go down to where's Seok? Seok, where are you? There you are. And then go to our code here. So if we go here and go backslash, code.txt. Okay, cool. So we should be able to just go into the file explorer, get that, and we can come out of here and paste it in here, hopefully. Did that work? Yes, it did. Okay, cool. What do we want to call it? Let's just call it cool. There we go. Just call it cool. Compile. This is definitely not going to work because it's my first time trying it, but there you go. I think this might actually work. No way will it work on the first time. Maybe. I'm very skeptical. I'm very skeptical indeed. Okay, let's have a look. Now there should be a thing in here called call.exe. No way. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Password. How was your day? Good. Great, goodbye. Okay, I forgot to put a pause at the end, but okay. So it works. Wow, okay, well, our compiler now has a GUI. Okay, so we now have a GUI for our interpreter and compiler. That was a lot simpler than I thought it would be, especially because it worked first time. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, you know, all of that stuff. Hit that notification bell. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.